Welcome to Rise Telecoms. In this video, we'll show you how to connect your laptop to the Rise Superfast Wi-Fi network in just a few easy steps. Hi, I'm Simphiwe, and I'll be guiding you through the process today. Don't worry if it's your first time connecting. We'll go through everything together, step by step. Let's get started. On your laptop, look for the Wi-Fi icon in the bottom right corner of your screen and left-click on it. A list of available Wi-Fi networks will appear. You may see Rise Wi-Fi and Rise Superfast. If your device can see Rise Superfast, click on it and then select Connect. Once you've connected, you may see a message that says Sign in to this network. Next, open Google Chrome. In the address bar at the top of your browser, type rise-capitalen.agilitygis.com. Then, press Enter on your keyboard. This will open the Rise Telecoms login page. You'll now see fields for your username and password. Enter the login details you received from Rise Telecoms. Double-check that you've entered them correctly, then click the Login button. In just a few moments, your device should be connected to the internet. And that's it! You've successfully connected to the Rise Superfast network. Thank you for watching. If you experience any difficulties connecting, our support team is always happy to help. From all of us at Rise Telecoms, thank you for choosing us. Happy browsing!